You've watched Dr. Smiley adjust, and now you'll move into our brain-based rehabilitation center, where we see our chi machine, our vagal stimulation station, our balance beam. We see our motion guided movements over here, and then we come over to our neurosage and our balance tracker. So over in this area, we will talk with Dr. Danielle as Ashley performs our neurosage treatment. Dr. Danielle, what can we say from you today?
All right, so what is happening here? So we have sweet Ellie. She's sitting, can't quite see the foot. If you're gonna zoom in, she has a vibration device under there, and it gets pretty powerful, and it goes up to specific parts that help drive different parts of the brain. So while she's doing that, she's also hooked up to a TENS machine unit on the left side of her body, which is working specifically to help drive a specific side of the brain. You can see she has some fancy blue glasses, so we utilize blue, red to stimulate the right hemisphere, the left hemisphere of the brain, depending on where we find the weakness. Overall, kind of just generalization real quick for your knowledge is the right side of the brain is the more creative and artistic and like free spirit side. The left side of the brain is the more analytic side, and I like to use the example of the gas pedal and the brake kind of sides of the brain. The left side of the brain is definitely more of the gas pedal, so those people are like go, 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 push and do. More of your left brain, your right brain dominant people are kind of more relaxed, laid back, easygoing, go with the flow. So anyhow, in a neurological exam, we identify what side of the brain is weak and also what areas of the brain are weak. And then we come here. So TENS machine to help drive the brain, glasses, and then she's wearing fancy headphones which have specific frequencies in them that help drive the certain side of the brain and parts of the brain. And then what Ashley is doing right now is she is using a shed light cold laser, so we can actually target specific networks and parts of the brain, and that actually helps rebuild and strengthen those connections with the brain. So where we find the weakness, it's like a superpower human workout for the brain.
Thank you, Dr. Danielle. Thank you, Ashley and Ellie, for being here and demonstrating what our Neurosage and Brain-Based Rehabilitation Center does.